Search engine optimization. It refers to the practice of optimizing a website or web page to improve its visibility and ranking in search engine results pages, SERPs. The main goal of SEO is to increase organic, non-paid, traffic to a website by making it more relevant and authoritative. Search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo use complex algorithms to determine the relevance and quality of web pages when users search for specific keywords or phrases. SEO involves various techniques and strategies to optimize a website's structure, content, and overall online presence to meet the criteria set by search engines. Key aspects of SEO include 1. Keyword research, identifying and analyzing the keywords and phrases that users are likely to search for when looking for relevant information or products. 2. On-page optimization, optimizing elements within a web page, such as titles, headings, meta tags, URL structure, and content, to make it. 3. Off-page optimization, building the website's reputation and authority through acquiring backlinks from other reputable websites, social media mentions, and other external factors. 4. Technical SEO, addressing technical aspects of a website, such as site speed, mobile friendliness, crawlability, and indexability, to ensure search engines can properly access and understand the site's content. 5. User experience, providing a positive and seamless experience for website visitors, including easy navigation, relevant and engaging content, and fast loading times. 6. Content creation, producing high-quality, original, and informative content that satisfies user intent and aligns with relevant search queries. 7. Analytics and monitoring, regularly analyzing website performance, traffic patterns, user behavior, and other key metrics to make data-driven decisions and identify areas for improvement. It's important to note that SEO is a long-term process, and achieving significant result